everyone, it's Tammy, and I have a package here from Home with Nikki, and I think that's what it's called. I know I saw it somewhere, and I was excited. Oh, At Home with Nikki. If you guys do not know who she is a YouTuber. She's been on YouTube for a long, long time. I used to watch her all the time, and then I stopped for whatever reason, and recently I picked it back up, and I saw that she has a monthly box. So she does a packaging of, I don't know, just fun surprises every month. And it's called the In Style box. And, oh my goodness. Oh, I'm trying to get it out without making it ugly, because it's a pretty box. Put this over here. And I'm going to put this back on it like it was so you guys can see it in its glory. Oops, I think I am. So anyway, I went and looked at her website for the In Style box, and they didn't have any of the months still available, but they did show you things that were in the months. And she also does a video of everything that's in the box every month. So this is it. It's a beautiful box that's like raised embossed silver, and then the box itself is silver with the white lid. And I looked at some of the things that were in her other boxes, and I went to some of the websites, and I was able to purchase some of the things that I thought were really cute. But then she had a mystery box, which is what this is, that was available, and it was $35. And I think that's how much her regular monthly subscription is, if you guys are interested in that. I did not sign up for it. I don't know if I will. Her style is a little different than mine. She's very, in my opinion, fancy. I don't know the right word for it, but I'm definitely more casual than her. This is beautiful wrapping, and oh my goodness, I don't even know what's in it, and it's like full of these little things, which I think are beautiful for packing. I like them a lot better than packing peanuts. Ooh, I see the first thing I have here are these beautiful napkins, and I actually did look at the website for these, but you had to spend, it was like a wholesale place, and I think the shipping was a little crazy, so I didn't order them. But I thought, ooh, maybe I can get some someday, and now I don't have to. Sorry, I have something on my viewfinder. There we go. So there are 4 of them, and they are just very nice, crisp white napkins. It would actually look good with my Easter, actually just about any day, because they're white. And then I have something else in here. Looks like a candle, but I can't be sure yet. Oh, smells like a candle too. And it is a candle. This is a winter morning natural soy candle from Jewel Scent. And I have a feeling Jewel Scent that there's a jewel inside. Let me see here. Burn candle for no more than 3 hours. Keep the wick centered. I don't know, it doesn't say, so maybe not, but it is very pretty. I love just the color of it. Oh, and the scent is beautiful. It smells a little bit outdoorsy, like maybe there's a hint of pine. I don't know, but it's very nice, so I will like that for sure. And then there are more of these. Ooh. There's all sorts of goodies. This is Cloth and Paper Luxe Organization Stationery and Gifts. I did see her unbox this, and it says, like, they're different folders, and they each have a number on them. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, and number 5. So I'm not exactly sure what you're supposed to do with them. I need to watch the video again to see what she suggests you do with them. But they are nice little folders. I can see maybe playing a game with them, like some sort of murder mystery or something like that. That's what my head thinks about. I'm sure that's not what she has. She's a little more elegant than I am, so I don't know what she'll say, but it's very neat. And then I have this cherry wood product. It is like a cutting board, and it's small. It's probably 5 inches by 5 inches, and it says this is by John Markham, Cherry Ridge Wood Products. So I'll just show you that if you guys want to pause it and get his information or whatever. This is what it is, and it's very pretty, and I like small cutting boards sometimes. Sometimes that's all you need, you know, if you're just cutting an apple or a tomato or whatever. Oh, how cute. These are little holders, and I have a feeling that she would put these in here. Now what you would do with that, I really don't know. Like, unless you had 5 different tables for things, and then you could put like a menu on the inside, that would be very fun. Like, I don't know, this is the dessert table, and here are what all the desserts are. I don't know, that's way too fancy for me, but I mean, it's cool. I'm not sure I'll use it. And then these are awesome. These are 4 napkin rings, and they are diamondy. Now, I do like this. This is something that I would definitely use. And we could put it on the napkin. I don't even know how to do the fancy fold of the napkin. I'll have to look that up. But until then, I'm just going to put it on the napkin like that. Isn't that cute? See, I would do that for sure. I think that's lovely. I think that's pretty, and it would be fun to have on everybody's place. Just a little napkin with a pretty little rhinestone napkin ring. Now there are only 4, so I like to set my table for 6. I don't know why. Heck, most of the time it's just 2 of us eating, but it's just fun. And I have 2 kids, but then I kind of count in if they had people over, or, you know, a boyfriend or girlfriend or whatever, now that they're a little older, especially for like nice dinner-y things. I think I'm gonna leave these in this poppy paper that they gave, because I don't know what else to do with those yet. But I'm gonna put, and I think I'm gonna put these back in the box. Let's take the wrapper out. But this is a really nice box that I'm probably going to repurpose for something else. But until I do, I'm just going to leave it in here. And I think I'll go ahead and leave these in here as well. But that's what I got in my box, and I am very excited about it. I really like it. I got some, I did order some other stuff from her, and I will show videos on those. I think one of them actually posted probably prior to this. And I'm going to leave the candle out so I can go ahead and start using that soon. And I'm going to leave this out because I'm going to start using this soon too. I'll just put it right over on my counter. And I'll put my linens with my linen table. I'll probably put the rest of that with the linens, because I have a feeling that's what those folders are for, something fancy like that. But then the rest I'm going to put into trash can. So thanks so much for watching, guys, and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.